Mrs. Hensley's friends, it's surprise story time. Mrs. Hensley doesn't have my snowman clothes on anymore, but I do have my little snowman earrings here, and you would know it. Guess what kind of shirt I'm wearing? Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Okay, so I think Hudson's coming over this evening, my 4-year-old grandson. He wants to stay the night, so I told him, well, Mrs. Hensley, I said, G has work to do, but since Madison will be here, she can help. So she'll be here in the morning too when Mrs. Hensley's putting out lessons for you guys, okay? So she'll be able to take care of him while Mrs. Hensley's taking care of business with you guys. Okay. Anyway, it is special story time. It can be your bedtime story. It can be just a surprise story. But we are going to read Snowmen at Christmas. And you might hear Kinsey Mackenzie, my dog, in the background because she's a little cray-cray. She's the big one. And she is driving me crazy because she just likes to bark all day long. So I'll try. I may have to pause and let her outside if she keeps barking, okay? So we're going to read Snowmen at Christmas by Carolyn Booner. Pictures by Mark Booner. Here we go. I told you. See, you hear her? She's crazy. Snowmen. Okay. Snowmen at Christmas, the title page. And this is a fiction story. Okay? All of our snowman books are fiction because you know what? Can a snowman really come to life? No. I wish they could. That would be pretty fun, wouldn't it? But they can't come to life, so they are fiction. That means they are not true. Okay? Here we go. One Christmas Eve, I made a snowman. Let Mrs. Hensley move over here just a little bit so you can see the entire book. Very fat and jolly, I dressed him up in red and green and trimmed his hat with holly. I saw his arms were trembling, as if he couldn't wait. It made me start to wonder, how do snowmen celebrate? I wonder how they celebrate. Let's find out. I think that while I'm snug in bed, dreaming of Christmas treats, the merry snowmen slip away and hurry down the streets. They glide down snowy avenues with lamps lights all aglow, the sleeping city blanketed in freshly fallen snow. They pass by toy shop windows framed with twinkling lights, pausing for a peek or two at holiday delights. The jolly snowmen gather from everywhere around for a Christmas party in the center of the town. Waving to each other, they call out cheery greetings. All their friends and family so happy to be meeting. A few merry snowmen start trimming the square. Soon holly and icicles are strung everywhere. And then reaching high for everyone to see, they hang balls of snow on the big Christmas tree. The snow children play freeze tag or red rover, or climb in a stack till they wobble right over. The mothers lay out all kinds of cold treats, ice cream and snow cones and dainty iced sweets. Then the dancing begins. To the tuna they fiddle. All the snowmen line up and sashay down the middle. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That sounds like a lot of fun. Someone says, "Hush!" Could that be a jingle? Then over the hill glides the snowman Kris Kringle. Look, right here. Here he comes. He opens his sack with a holly ho ho and pulls out their presents, each made out of snow. Santa sips his cocoa, the reindeer romp and play, and then with the whistle, they're off on their way. Such fun snowmen have. But there's still one more thing. With hearts full of joy, they hold hands and they sing. While the fiddler plays and sweet silver bells ring, they sing songs about snow and the birth of a king. The children are sleepy. The grown-ups are yawning. The snowmen go home just as Christmas is dawning. They're all back in their places when Christmas Day starts. But these folks made of snow have a glow in their hearts. Their smiles are more tender, their eyes softly shine, as the snowmen dream dreams of their Christmas time. Merry Christmas! Oh, the dedication page is on the back. Usually it's at the front. It says, to Jadine Deniston and all our friends at Sunrise Elementary. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, I hope you all have a wonderful evening this evening. Sweet dreams. I love and I miss you, and I will see you soon, and I will talk to you bright and early tomorrow morning. Okay, friends? Good night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, friends.